Hi, welcome to this video on how to identify drug user. Drug use can have serious consequences for your health, relationships, and future. But how can you tell if someone is using drugs? Here are some signs to look for.
Physical signs: red, bloodshot, glassy, or unfocused eyes are common signs of drug use. Some drugs can also cause dilated or constricted pupils, drastic weight loss, shakiness, tremors, or needle marks on the body. Drug users may also neglect their personal hygiene and grooming, and appear tired or run down.
Some behavioral signs include: drug users may have changes in their mood, attitude, and motivation. They may become more secretive, isolated, or hostile. They may also have problems at school or work, such as poor grades, attendance, or performance. Drug users may also spend more time and money on using or finding drugs, and borrow or steal money from others.
These relational signs are also important to note. Drug users may have difficulties in their relationships with family and friends. They may withdraw from their loved ones or change their circle of friends. They may also lie or become defensive about their drug use and refuse to get help.
If you notice any of these signs in someone you care about, don't ignore them. Remember that drug use is a treatable condition, and recovery is possible with the right support. Talk to them in a calm and supportive way, and encourage them to seek professional help. For more information, you can contact us at mindandhealth.innovations@gmail.com. You can also join us in Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and YouTube. The links are provided in the comments section. This video is brought to you by Mind and Health Innovations MAHI, your friend for mental wellness and support.